The Meadow House in Maasland, a relic of a simpler time nestled against the sturdy dike, presented jury with a unique challenge to breathe contemporary life into a structure tethered to its historic landscape, yet woefully inadequate for modern living. The existing house, with its basement half buried in the earth and an awkward external staircase leading to the main floor, felt disconnected and inefficient. The architects recognized the potential within the concrete basement, a sturdy anchor to the land, and made the bold decision to strip the upper structure, leaving a blank canvas upon which to redefine the dwelling. This strategic demolition allowed for a complete overhaul, focusing on enhancing the building envelope and integrating sustainable technologies, all while respecting the inherent character of the original dike house. Jury's design vision centered on amplifying the house's relationship with its expansive polder setting. The reconstructed form retained the iconic sloping gable roof, but now, the roof material cascaded down the facade, creating a unified, sculptural volume. The exposed basement, now clad in a serene gray decorative plaster, served as a robust plinth, grounding the house firmly. Above, aged padauk wood cladding added warmth and texture, subtly separated from the plinth by a continuous drip profile. To further integrate the house into the flat landscape, the structure was extended northward, emphasizing its horizontal proportions and allowing it to visually merge with the surrounding fields. The ground floor was transformed into a fluid, open space, organized by a central, multifunctional volume. This volume, housing essential amenities, a patio area, and dual fireplaces, acted as a spatial organizer, dividing the expansive floor plan into distinct zones, each with its own character and atmosphere. The architects approached the project with a less is more philosophy, prioritizing purity, minimalism, and meticulous detailing. The internal staircase, now integrated within the central volume, replaced the awkward external access, creating a seamless transition between the basement and the main living area. The volume itself cleverly concealed the kitchen, toilet, storage, and cabinets, while also offering a cozy seating niche. The roof of this volume, accessible from within, provided an intimate, elevated space beneath the main roofline. This careful attention to detail, combined with the minimalist aesthetic, allowed the surrounding landscape to take center stage, creating a harmonious balance between the built environment and the natural world. The Meadow House, reborn, now stood as a testament to thoughtful renovation, a dwelling that respected its past while embracing the comforts and sustainability of the present.